Prepare yourself now for the practice of open awareness meditation, for which choose a comfortable meditation posture. If you wish, you can perform this meditation practice by being on a chair. As you sit in stillness, make yourself comfortable and allow your senses to remain awake and alert. Make yourself aware of the sounds that are generating around you, moving your awareness from one sound to the other, and slowly allow the sounds to make you aware of the subtle sounds of your own breath, of your heartbeat, and any other sounds that might be happening within your physical body. Become aware of any other sensations or feelings that are generating within your physical body. Acknowledge the presence of any strong emotions. Now slowly take a step back and become aware of the background presence that is noticing what is happening in the front. Deepen and awaken your presence deepen and awaken your presence, and you become the observer. Spread over your whole body a soft layer of awareness. I know that I am aware. I know that I am witnessing. Let your eyes become soft. Let your breath become smooth. And spread the feeling of softness over the whole face. Spread the feeling of softness over the whole face. Relax the jaws and add a bit of smile on your face. Feel the lips that are holding the smile. feel your mouth from within. Feel your mouth from within, and you create the feeling of relaxation, softness within the mouth. Take your awareness now to the back of your tongue and allow the awareness to spread to the inner walls of your throat. Expand the awareness and spread the awareness to the shoulder, feel the awareness and liveliness within the shoulder and the upper back. Let your hands relax in an easy way as they rest on top of the thighs, on top of the legs. Turn the palms upside. Turn the palms upside and feel any tingling sensation or vibration within the arms and the palms. Now feel the openness of the chest and connect with your heart space. Acknowledge the sensation generating within your heart space. Draw the awareness to the belly. Soften your belly. Feel the belly from within. Feel the belly from within and create the feeling of relaxation. Feel the torso, the base of the torso, the hips, the weight of the body distributed equally. Bring the awareness from your hips to your legs. Feel the legs from within. Feel the whole body from within. The whole body is like a vessel containing awareness. Acknowledge the inner space, the sound and the vibration. Tune in to the subtle vibration and the inner space. Sense the interior space the space filled with awareness. Sense the exterior space and spread the awareness to the exterior space. Mentally take a step back and continue to hold an open awareness and allow every sensation to come to the surface. Open awareness meditation is the meditation of inclusivity. Continue to expand your awareness and acknowledge the presence of the sound, feelings, sensation, vibration, all with an wakeful openness. At any given point, you notice that you are blending in with an experience. Take a step back and become the witness. Remain the witness of the entire panorama of your awareness. Now is the time to come back and take a step towards connecting with your breath. Acknowledge the presence of the breath. Connect with the body. Connect with the space the body is occupying. Connect with the external space, the room or the place where you are practicing this meditation. Take your time and allow your awareness to expand and to reconnect with the external world. Now it's the time to end the practice. Please take 3 deep breaths in and out. And in your own time, you can externalize your awareness and open your eyes. Thank you. Namaste.